my YouTube channel. We're doing very well, and today in this video we're gonna take a look at this device. This is Samsung M31, and this is gonna be a video where I'm gonna tell you whether buying this, one of the best-selling mobile phone on Amazon, in the price range of under 15,000 or 15,000. So let us see whether it is worth in the year 2021. And in this video I'm going to give you all guys a review of this, the Samsung M31 mobile phone. And really guys, this we have more than 2,25,000 ratings on Amazon, and actually don't know how many people bought this device. So let's talk about this, and let's see how is this, whether it is worth the price or you should consider buying any other smartphone. So let's begin. Hey guys, so here is the mobile phone box. This is the M31 by Samsung. If we see more around the box, here it is written Samsung Galaxy M31. Even this side is blank. Here there are some details. Even here there are some details, and at the back there are some of the features mentioned of this smartphone. So now let's directly unbox this. I'll just cut it, open the seal from here, and let's unbox the box now. Alright guys, so there we go. Here is our mobile. Here is our mobile in iceberg blue color. It really looks nice color, that's why I chose this. Let's just quickly see what's in the box. Here you will get a small pouch sort of thing, yeah. And if I open this from here, let us see what we will get. Here you get one SIM ejector pin. I just take it out and keep it aside, and inside you will get to see guide and quick start guide, and let's see what's else. There's the warranty card, and then it is just nothing in here. Alright, then let us see what's else. Here you get one charging adapter. How to take it out? Yeah, so here is one charging adapter with a USB port where you will connect the charging cable. And if I see how much volt it is, so this adapter is a 15 volt adapter, and really nice adapter. Here if we take a look, here you will get one USB A to USB C cable. Let me slide open this, and there you go. Here is one nice cable. It's not very long, but okay, it is here. It's a USB C and USB. Alright, let us keep all the boxing and all of those things aside for a once, and let's take the look at the mobile. Let's unbox this from where it, okay, so it will just slide from here. This thing is like crazy satisfying. Okay, let's keep this aside too. And here is our phone. I'll just remove this sticker, and there we go. And here is our phone guys. Here you get a quad camera which is a 64 megapixel. Here you get a touch ID. Then here you get the SIM tray. Here you get a front facing camera of 32 megapixel. Here are the volume rockers, power button, and here you get an headphone jack, USB-C port, speaker grill, microphones, and then what's else? And even here you will get the microphone. Now let's turn on this device. Power, press it, and there we go. Here we have the display. It's written Samsung Galaxy M31 powered by Android, and let us wait for this phone to just boot up. Let us take a glance of its first boot. Alright guys, so now let us start booting this up. You can select a language. English is fine. I will do OK, and I will do start. Okay, so I'll just tick it next, Okay, then here you can choose the. Alright guys, so we are done with setting up our mobile phone. I just didn't show you the process of how to set up because it's like crazy long. So yeah, it's set up now. So here you can see our displays here. So now let's talk about some of the features of this mobile phone. So basically in this phone you will get a 64 megapixel back camera, then you will get a 32 megapixel front camera. Then here in this phone, the main thing which I really like of this is that you are getting 6000 mAh of battery, which is like monstrous for a mobile phone. And then you are getting an AMOLED display. So basically in the price which it comes is so I feel that this phone is really great for the price it is. Okay, so now let's do some of the test on this phone, like camera test. Alright guys, so that was an short unboxing and an overview of this smartphone, but now let's talk about the smartphone in more detail. So some things which I would like to tell you about this is that I bought this in the 6 GB of memory, which is not the standard. You can actually upgrade this to 8 GB of RAM, and I bought it with the 128 GB of storage, which is standard, and you cannot upgrade the storage. By the way, you can also insert a micro SD card in case you want to expand the storage. And if I tell you about some of these specifications, so you will get a 64 megapixel back camera, 32 megapixel front camera, I think I told you before. But something which I want to tell you is that you get a face recognition, then you get a fingerprint scanner in the back side, and then you also get a really nice quality display with this mobile phone. And some things I really like about this is that you can shoot in Ultra HD with this camera, which is amazing for all those people who want to create videos with this. Alright guys, so now it's time for some test of photos and videos. So yeah, let's begin the test. Alright guys, so this is the test of this Samsung M31 smartphone, and this is the recording from its front camera, which is around 32 megapixels. And guys, this is the video quality from its back camera, which is of 64 megapixels. And this recording is in Ultra HD and 30 frames per second. Alright guys, so I thought let us do a back camera test with the low light. So you can see the light is not very great. So this is the low light video test on the back camera of this smartphone. Okay guys, so now let's talk about some more features which you can get to see with this camera setup which you are getting in this smartphone. So you are getting a stabilization, the built-in stabilization option, which is a really great thing if you are shooting handheld shots and you are shooting some B-rolls for videos. And then you are also getting a really nice flashlight if you are taking photos and videos in like a night, like super dark place, which is also really nice. As I showed you a photo of a night mode, like in the night I clicked a photo of the flowers with the flashlight on. So, and also you get some more things to tweak in the camera, like you can tweak in the resolution of a video, and you can also edit your photos, like you can just do some basic photo editing in the Samsung photo gallery app, which is also really great thing. Okay, so now let us talk about if this Samsung M31 smartphone is really worth in the year 2021. You are paying 15,000 rupees to buy this smartphone, and yeah, can it do the work for you? So by the way, it is a really nice phone if you want to shoot some amazing videos, like I showed you some of the video tests in here. And if you also want to click some great photos, then this phone you can consider in your wish list. And if your budget is not really high, then this phone is a really a must buy for you. And then if I talk whether it is good in the year 2021, so I will say yes, it is good if you want to do some amazing or I should say some basic tasks like recording video or photos. Then it is really nice if you want to just if you want to manage your WhatsApp and you want to do some Zoom meetings, you want to do some regular productivity work on PowerPoint or Word, then also it is good. Yeah, for PowerPoint and Word, laptop is more suitable, but yeah, obviously there are no capabilities, so you can use this device. And I will say this phone is the best selling on Amazon, so I can also say that you can buy this phone in year 2021, no matter it is 1.5 year old mobile phone. It's like when I'm shooting this video, but this phone is really worth the money you are paying. So yes guys, this was a short unboxing and a review and a test of this Samsung M31, and I hope you like this video and share this video. If you want to buy this phone, the link will be in the description if it do not run out of the stock. But yes, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join our Discord. The Discord link will be in the description. And now I will meet you in the next video. So till then, goodbye.